Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Melvin Williams, and I am the Director of M&N Communications, an IT consulting firm located here in Blue Bell, Pennsylvania. We manage IT as well as provide essential technology solutions for SMBs, those small to medium-sized businesses. So I wanted to take a few minutes of your afternoon today to talk about no business is immune from downtime. And SMBs, small to medium sized businesses, are at increased risk. Did you know that? As a business owner, do you understand that you are at increased risk? That the small business owner, the one who just took a cold call from a prospective client and they said that I have all of the services that I need in place. Did you know that you are the target of those hackers? It seems to be a perfect storm. More data is being created. The amount of data being stored is more than double than every 2 years. The value of the data is increasing. Analytics and big data increases the value of the business data, intellectual property. There's greater risk for losing data, from Sandy to server failures to security breaches. The perfect storm has formed. Robbers, hackers, they have access to the most important thing in your organization. And the thing about it is, what we need to understand is that more data is being created and stored by companies of all sizes. Data will continue to grow from a rate of 11% to 40% annually. The amount of data could grow by 50 times by 2020. SMBs are a part of the big data wave. It really just means smarter use of data, in turn, making it more valuable for small businesses. Their data is their lifeline. However, there are more and more threats to a business data, not just big headline grabbers like natural disasters, that hurricane, but by day-to-day data loss, disasters caused by malware and ransomware, server failure, and power outages. How long can your business be down without it affecting your bottom line? Can it be seconds, minutes, hours, days, or never? So SMBs need to understand that there are fewer resources, or SMBs are at greater risk because they have fewer resources to prevent that data loss. The hackers understand that you have those limited resources to combat a disaster. They understand that you can't afford, top of the line software that's going to help you to prevent your data. They understand that you can't afford certain things. They know that you have a loss of a competitive edge because you're trying to maintain and grow your business. They understand the negative impact on your reputation. So these hackers understand your business better than you do, and they're out there to get you, because downtime is a business concern. Unplanned downtime may be an IT function, but it is a business concern. Average mid-sized companies have 16 to 20 hours of network systems or application downtime per year. That's an average cost of a mid-sized company of about $70,000. Many compliance regulations like HIPAA require data backed up and data recovery plans. Do you have this in place? If you don't, can you withstand a compliance violation? So protecting your data is protecting your business. Do you have insurance, or do you have business insurance for your building, for your employees? Why not have business insurance for your data? You may end up using your backup and disaster recovery solution before you use your insurance. Right now, did you hear that? You may use your backup and disaster recovery solution before you use your regular insurance. And most of us wouldn't consider running a business without insuring your employees or the physical components. For example, you have insurance for your physical desktops in case they get stolen, but what about the more valuable data that is contained within the desktop? Most business liability insurance policies do not cover data loss. So in itself, you're on your own. So prepare now, save later. Regardless of the source or unplanned downtime, it will cost your business money because our manufacturing clients did not have an interruption in service. The cost savings to them was easy in the terms of tens of thousands. That's what some of the leading managed service providers are able to say about their manufacturing customers who experienced a server failure, but they had backup and disaster recovery solutions in place. It actually saved them money by being prepared. As Benjamin Franklin put it, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So prepare now or pay later. The average small business can expect to lose $100,000 worth of revenue and unplanned downtime each year. It's often not possible to recreate medical data with the current regulations. A violation would cause audits and penalties that would be thrown at most practices into bankruptcy. So downtime costs you $8,8600 per hour. Average downtime lasting 7 hours. That's a loss of productivity for your employees in your organization. Most time it could cause you to go bankruptcy. All internal business processes will cease, billing, HR, loss of sales, revenue, loss of employee productivity. No systems will be working. No communication, no email. Cost. What is the cost to restore your IT systems? The materials loss and the cleanup costs. What's the financial impact of customer dissatisfaction because they couldn't reach you? Compliance violations, missed deadlines due to the fact that your employees couldn't access the data. Something like this could cause your business to go bankruptcy. So the good news, you can keep your business running with us, with a business disaster recovery solution that delivers intelligent business continuity to your business. Imminent communication will manage the entire process. You can see the return on the investment. We secure and back up your business's critical data. We keep the business running even when there's a disaster. We have complete data restoration. We give you the peace of mind for your business, and we're compliance friendly. So intelligent business continuity is more than just traditional backup and disaster recovery. Intelligent business continuity delivers the best means to keep your business up and running in the event of a disaster, regardless of the size of the scope. So keep your business running. So those traditional backup solutions can't keep up with this. They can't do that. Their recovery may take weeks. It's a high risk because it's human error. The backup speeds are slower. Physical to virtual conversions can take time. Compared to recovering and reducing and remediating your system within seconds, having a fully automated process, making sure that your data centers are fully redundant. So the 2-in-1 punch, backup, disaster recovery, secure backup of business data, timely recovery of operations following the disaster. We understand this. We understand how to do that. So can you ask yourself the question, can your business do this? We're an award-winning technology solution provider. Our intelligent business solution is award-winning. We give you access to your local and off sites via virtualization. We have screenshot verifications, backup insight, end-to-end encryption, 24/7, 365 US-based tech support. Our business continuity is built for every business. We partner with Dano to provide you with different levels of business continuity services. So for the small business right now, the the Alto box, the only continuity solution designed specifically for the small business owner. We're right there. We're with you. So if you don't understand and you're looking to work with a partner, remember, M&N Communications is a consulting firm located in Blue Bell, Pennsylvania, which manages technology. We manage the IT. We provide those essential IT solutions for the small business owner. We understand the costs of rising IT. We solve common IT challenges. We understand the security and compliance risks. We understand data vulnerability. We understand what an unreliable network would do. We have over 150 partners, so you only need one. So we're calling out to all of those businesses that are in the Montgomery County area. Remember, M&N Communications provides essential IT solutions for the small business owner. Thank you for your time, and I hope that we were able to add value to your organization today. Thank you for your time, and I hope that M&N Communications can be your #1 partner for backing up that pertinent, important data.